Yo, what's up guys, it's Amiz. Welcome to my channel where we dive into the world of gaming, challenges, and epic adventures. And let me tell you, starting a YouTube channel, it's like jumping out of a plane without a parachute. It's exhilarating, terrifying, and absolutely thrilling all at once. You're free-falling, hoping you'll figure out how to build those wings on the way down. Every video, every edit, every upload is a piece of that wing. That's what these first 29 days felt like. A whirlwind of creativity, learning, and a bit of chaos. But guess what? We're not just surviving, we're thriving. Every like, every comment, every subscriber fuels this journey. We hit that 1,000 subscriber milestone in just 29 days, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we did it. From the strategies we used to the content we created. Get ready for insane challenges, epic wins, and maybe a few fails along the way. It's all part of the journey, and it's what makes it so exciting. You don't want to miss this. So hit that subscribe button, join the adventure, and let's make some unforgettable memories together. Alright, day 1. The beginning of a journey that I had no idea would change my life forever. The day it all began. The sun was rising, and with it a new chapter in my life was unfolding. I've always been obsessed with gaming, spending hours getting lost in these incredible worlds. Each game was a new adventure, a new story to dive into. But I didn't just want to play the games, I wanted to share that passion with the world. I wanted others to feel the excitement, the thrill, the joy that I felt. So boom! Hit that record button, and just like that, my channel was born. It was a leap of faith, a step into the unknown. We're talking tips, tricks, playthroughs, reactions, you name it, we're bringing the gaming heat. Every video was a new opportunity to connect, to share, to grow. Little did I know, this was just the beginning of something truly wild. The journey ahead was filled with challenges, triumphs, and unforgettable moments. 3 days in, and let me tell you, it's a whirlwind. Editing, uploading, trying to figure out this whole YouTube game, it's a lot, but giving up, not a chance. Consistency is key, right? So I made a pact with myself, upload every other day, no excuses. The more content we put out there, the more people we reach, right? It's all about that grind, baby. Okay, real talk, my videos fire, but the views, not so much. Something had to change. That's when it hit me. Thumbnails and titles, gotta make them pop. We're talking click-worthy, scroll-stopping masterpieces. Instead of how to play Fortnite, we're going with how I got 5 wins in Fortnite without losing my mind. Add a crazy reaction image, a giant red arrow, boom, now we're talking. Chapter 4, Day 10, engaging with your fans. 100 subscribers. You guys are insane. This is more than just a number, it's a community, and I appreciate each and every one of you. But here's the thing, we're building this together. I'm talking replying to every comment, taking video requests, making you guys a part of the journey. Because without you, there's no Amiz. Chapter 5, Day 15, reaching new heights. We're halfway there, people. The channel's on fire, we're dropping videos like it's hot, and the growth is unreal. Remember that top 10 worst Fortnite fails video? Yeah, that blew up, shared in all the big gaming groups, and bam! Subscribers through the roof. We're talking 300 to 600 overnight. It's all about finding that viral magic, you know? Chapter 6. Day 20, the power of collaboration. Alright, time to kick it into overdrive. We're crushing it solo, but imagine what we can do with a teammate. I reached out to another awesome gaming YouTuber, someone with the same energy, the same passion. We're talking a collab for the ages, a Fortnite Battle Royale challenge that's gonna blow your minds. 2 channels, double the fun, double the subscribers, let's do this. Chapter 7. Day 25. The final push. This is it. The moment we've all been waiting for. The final stretch of our journey. 5 days left and we're so close I can taste it. The excitement is palpable and the energy is through the roof. Every subscriber, every view, every comment counts. But this is no time to slow down, we gotta finish strong. The grind is real and the hustle is on. We're pushing our limits, testing our creativity, and giving it our all. We're not just uploading anymore, we're strategizing, optimizing, making every video count. Each detail matters, from the thumbnails to the tags to the descriptions. It's all about precision and perfection. And to show you guys how much I appreciate the support, we're doing a massive giveaway. This is my way of saying thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Subscribe, comment, and you could win a $50 gift card to deck out your in-game character. Let's go. Your support means the world to me, and together we're going to make this final push unforgettable. Chapter 8, Day 30. The 1,000 subscriber milestone. This is it, the final countdown. The subscriber count is climbing, the energy is electric, and then, boom! 1,000 subscribers. We did it! This isn't just a number, it's a testament to hard work, dedication, and the incredible community we've built together. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Chapter 9, The Takeaway. 30 days, guys. We went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, proving that anything is possible if you set your mind to it. We created awesome content, stayed consistent, engaged with you amazing people, and learned from the best in the business. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Chapter 10. Are you ready to start your own YouTube journey? So what are you waiting for? You have a passion, a story to tell, a voice that deserves to be heard. Get out there, start creating, and who knows, maybe we'll be collaborating on a video soon. The world of YouTube is waiting for you. Go get 'em. Outro, join the adventure! I can't believe we did it! 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. This is insane! But you know what's even more insane? This is just the beginning. We're talking bigger challenges, crazier collabs, and a whole lot more gaming mayhem. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single thing. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.